Hi, my name is Michael from longhi, and today I'm going to show you how to descale your Magnifica Smart bean to cup machine. You'll know it's time to descale when this light here flashes. At that point you need to follow the correct procedure. First of all, you need some descaler, at least 100 ml of the longhi descaler for this. You need a container to catch the water that's going to come out of this tank. And finally, you need to remove your water filter. So we've got all the items we need. I'm going to take out the water tank first of all. I'm going to take the top off and I'm going to get my solution. So this is 100 ml and I'm just going to pour this into my water tank. And you'll see it gets to this level here. Now we're going to get some water. I'm going to fill that to level B. And we're literally going to fill this up, and that's going to take it up to the letter B. So I'm going to take the actual water tank and I'm going to place this back into the machine. So my water tank is now in place. This time I'm going to take my container, as we discussed before, and I'm going to place that under both nozzles. My light is still flashing on here. Now there's a button underneath the steam button, which I'm going to press for about 5 seconds. Once I press that for 5 seconds, the steam light's going to come on, and this red light is then going to go solid. So I'm going to hold this for 5 seconds. The light is flashing. The light is solid. I'm now going to open up the actual arm on here. And this is then going to pulse through both of these units. Now this process can take up to 30 minutes to do. So the first part of the process is complete. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to empty this container. I'm also then going to empty this water tank, what's left of it, and then we're going to fill it up and do the process again. First of all, I'm actually then going to turn this so it's actually then back to normal. Now we've emptied our water tank and we've also emptied our container. We're going to do the same process again, but this time we're going to take some water. It's just some clean fresh water, no descaler solution in, and we're actually now going to aim for the max level. So just on here, just up where. Place that straight into the machine on here. Don't forget to place our container back underneath again. I'm going to go straight to the dial we did before and we're going to turn. Same as we did before, the process is going to happen. It's going to be the pulse actions, so don't worry if it takes quite a bit of time in between the pulsing action. After I've done this process, I'm going to repeat it one more time. That's so the descaler has gone through, and then that will mean our machine is completely descaled. So our second process is now complete. What you'll see is it's asking to fill with more water, but our descale light has actually gone off. All we need to do is put our filter in, put some water in, and go and make your favorite coffee.